J-20 Mighty Dragon. This is China's first fifth-generation stealth fighter, designed to compete with aircraft like the American F-22 and F-35. It entered service in 2017 and represents a major leap in Chinese aviation technology. The J-20 features advanced stealth capabilities, supercruise engines, and integrated avionics that allow it to operate deep in contested airspace. Its primary role is air superiority, though it can also conduct precision strikes. The aircraft's delta canard configuration gives it exceptional maneuverability at high speeds. With ongoing engine upgrades, including indigenous WS-15 turbofans, the J-20 is becoming increasingly capable and forms the backbone of China's modern air defense strategy. J-16 Strike Fighter. Based on the Russian Su-30 MKK design, the J-16 is a multirole twin-seat fighter that excels in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. It began operational deployment around 2015 and has since become one of the most versatile platforms in the Chinese inventory. The aircraft carries an impressive weapons load, including long-range anti-ship missiles, precision-guided bombs, and advanced air-to-air missiles. Its AESA radar allows it to track multiple targets simultaneously while maintaining situational awareness. The J-16 often operates alongside J-20s, with the stealth fighter handling high-threat environments while the J-16 provides heavy firepower support. J-10 Vigorous Dragon. This is China's first domestically developed fourth-generation multirole fighter. The J-10 entered service in the mid-2000s and has undergone several upgrades since then. It uses a delta canard design similar to European fighters like the Eurofighter Typhoon, which gives it excellent agility in dogfights. The latest variant, the J-10C, features an AESA radar, improved avionics, and compatibility with modern Chinese weapons systems. Though smaller and lighter than the J-16, the J-10 remains highly capable and serves as a cost-effective complement to heavier fighters. It's particularly well-suited for homeland defense and regional air superiority missions. J-11 Flanker Variants. These aircraft are Chinese-produced versions of the Russian Su-27, modified and upgraded over decades. The original J-11A was essentially a licensed copy, but later variants like the J-11B incorporated domestic engines, avionics, and weapons systems. The J-11 series provides long-range air superiority capabilities with a large weapons load and extended flight endurance. While not as advanced as newer designs, upgraded J-11s remain effective platforms, especially when equipped with modern missiles and radar systems. They continue to serve in significant numbers across the Chinese Air Force. JH-7 Flying Leopard. This twin-engine fighter bomber was designed specifically for long-range strike missions, particularly against naval targets. It entered service in the 1990s and represents an earlier generation of Chinese military aviation. The JH-7 can carry a heavy payload of anti-ship missiles, precision-guided munitions, and unguided bombs. While it lacks the maneuverability of air superiority fighters, it excels in its intended role of delivering ordnance at range. The aircraft typically operates with fighter escort and has been gradually supplemented by more modern multirole platforms, though it remains in active service. H-6 Strategic Bomber. Originally based on the Soviet Tu-16 design from the 1950s, the H-6 has been continuously modernized and remains China's primary strategic bomber. Modern variants like the H-6K and H-6N bear little resemblance to their ancestor, featuring new engines, avionics, and weapons systems. The aircraft can carry long-range cruise missiles, allowing it to strike targets hundreds of miles away without entering defended airspace. The H-6N variant can even carry air-launched ballistic missiles, giving China a unique capability for rapid strike missions. Despite its age, the platform's ongoing upgrades keep it relevant for power projection. Y-20 Heavy Transport. This large military transport aircraft entered service in 2016 and significantly enhanced China's strategic airlift capabilities. The Y-20 can carry heavy equipment, including armored vehicles and artillery, over long distances. It's comparable to the American C-17 Globemaster and plays a crucial role in rapid deployment operations. The aircraft also serves as the basis for other variants, including aerial refueling tankers and potential airborne early warning platforms. Its development marked a major milestone in Chinese aerospace engineering and reduced reliance on foreign transport aircraft. KJ-500 Airborne Early Warning Aircraft. This platform provides crucial battlefield awareness and command capabilities. The KJ-500 uses a fixed rotordome housing an AESA radar system that can detect and track numerous airborne and surface targets simultaneously. It entered service in the mid-2010s and has become the backbone of China's airborne early warning fleet. The aircraft coordinates fighter operations, guides missiles to targets, and provides real-time intelligence to ground commanders. Its electronic warfare capabilities also allow it to jam enemy radars and communications. KJ-2000 Airborne Early Warning and Control. Based on the Russian Illinois 76 transport aircraft, the KJ-2000 was China's first modern AWACS platform. It features a large rotating radar dome and sophisticated battle management systems. Though fewer in number than the KJ-500, the KJ-2000 offers greater range and endurance due to its larger airframe. It typically operates farther from the battlefield, providing theater-level surveillance and command functions. The aircraft represents an earlier but still capable generation of Chinese airborne early warning technology. J-15 Flying Shark. This carrier-based fighter operates from China's aircraft carriers and represents the country's first generation of naval aviation power projection. Based on the Russian Su-33 design, the J-15 is a large, twin-engine fighter optimized for air superiority and strike missions from carrier decks. It uses a ski-jump takeoff configuration on current Chinese carriers, though catapult-capable variants are under development. The aircraft can carry a wide range of weapons, including anti-ship missiles, air-to-air missiles, and precision-guided bombs. While effective, it's being supplemented by newer designs better suited for modern carrier operations. J-8 Finback. This older interceptor was designed during the Cold War for high-speed, high-altitude missions against bombers. The J-8 series represents an earlier era of Chinese fighter development and lacks the capabilities of modern multirole aircraft. Though largely obsolete compared to current threats, upgraded variants continue to serve in limited numbers, primarily for homeland defense and training purposes. The aircraft's long service life demonstrates China's gradual transition from older Soviet-influenced designs to modern indigenous platforms. Q-5 Fantan. Originally developed as a dedicated ground attack aircraft in the 1960s, the Q-5 served for decades in close air support and strike roles. It featured a unique design derived from the J-6 fighter but optimized for low-level attack missions. The aircraft could carry bombs, rockets, and early guided munitions. Most Q-5s have now been retired, replaced by more capable multirole fighters that can perform ground attack missions alongside air-to-air combat. A few may remain in reserve or training units. GJ-11 Sharp Sword. This stealthy unmanned combat aerial vehicle features a flying wing design optimized for penetrating defended airspace. The GJ-11 entered service recently and provides China with a long-range strike capability that can operate in high-threat environments. Its stealth characteristics allow it to evade radar detection while delivering precision weapons. The aircraft represents the cutting edge of Chinese unmanned combat aviation and signals a broader shift toward autonomous systems in modern warfare.